So good morning, everyone. Today we'll discuss homework that was models given, chapter number 5 of your grammar book models, exercise 16 we are going to discuss. First 10 sentences were in the homework. So I'll name the students. You can unmute yourself and tell the answer, right? So yes, Sahajveer, read the sentence and tell the answer.
We will go shopping next week. We will need a lot of things for the holidays.
Right. We shall go for shopping आएगा बेटा. यहाँ पे हम सिंपल बात कर रहे हैं कि हमें शॉपिंग, हम नेक्स्ट वीक शॉपिंग के लिए जाएंगे. So it will be we shall go for shopping next week. Then we will need a lot of things for the holidays. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Next, Manya.
We cannot waste time in idle gossip.
Sorry, I didn't get the answer, Manya.
We cannot waste the time in idle gossip.
बेटा कैन नॉट नहीं आएगा यहाँ पे. इधर इट वुड बी वी मस्ट नॉट वेस्ट और वी शुड नॉट. यस रंजीता, शुड इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट. सो वी मस्ट और शुड, एनी वन ऑफ द ऑप्शंस वुड वर्क. नेक्स्ट, थर्ड सेंटेंस, मानवी.
Ma'am, it may rain soon.
It might rain soon. It is likely to happen. Weak possibility की बात हो रही है, so it will be might. Next, Perleen. Perleen, you can unmute yourself and tell the answer, bete.
You should see a doctor at once.
You should see a doctor at once, right? It is written that it is an advice, so we'll use should in it. Next, Verleen. Yes, the students who are writing the answers in the chat box, I am reading their messages also. So keep writing your answers in chat box.
Yes. Will you please stop talking?
Right answer. Will you please stop talking? And Sahajveer has written can. Can nahi beta. Will you please stop talking?
Ma'am, ma'am in fourth sentence must आ सकते हैं? Fourth sentence में.
Advice है बेटा. Advice है. There is written in the bracket that it is an advice, so we use should for advice. Fourth sentence में can नहीं बेटा. Advice की बात कर रहे हैं हम सहजवीर. So when we say it is an advice, we use modal should. I hope I am clear. Anji, next section.
You can go only when you have finished your work.
Right answer, you can or you may go when you have finished your work. Next, Ganika. 7.
Have tea or coffee?
Sorry, bete.
Ganika,
रोटी बना ले आइयो.
Yes, bete. Please keep yourself on mute. Anji, bete. So the answer of 7th is, would you rather have tea or coffee? Preference के लिए we'll use would. Anji, good mood.
Ma'am, 8th sentence, I would rather prefer not to give any explanation.
Right. I would rather, because formal way में है, we will use would. Next, Mridul.
Ma'am, one must obey one's parents.
Right answer, Shipra. It will not be may. It is one must obey one's parents or one should obey one's parents. right? Must and should, both options are okay. हाँ जी, next 10th sentence. Ankit,
Can you lend me some money?
10th sentence, right? Yes. इसमें various options can go. Can is also correct. Someone has written will, that is also correct. Would, shipwright is correct. Could is also correct. So 3 or 4 options. All these options are correct in it. So would, can, will, could, all options are correct. Right? So 10 sentences were given. I think we are done with these 10 sentences. Now coming to exercise 15. This was already given to you in the class yesterday. हाँ जी. So first sentence, exercise 15. Sahajveer. Sahajveer, you can unmute yourself. I think it's not there. Okay.
May I open
wait.
the window?
Yes, it is may I open the window or should I open the window? Anything? Verleen,
Should we play in the garden?
should we play in the garden? Ranjita, next sentence बोलिए बेटा.
We should not to walk on the grass.
बेटे we ought not to. यहाँ पे already to लिखा हुआ है ना, so we ought not to walk on the grass. Is this clear बेटे? हाँ जी. Next, तनवीर सिंह बिनी, बोलिए बेटा. Tanveer, unmute yourself and speak. हाँ जी तनवीर, बोलिए बेटा.
Yes.
Sentence
My fifth
number 4 बेटा.
I am working hard now so that I may pass this year.
Right answer. I may pass. Next, I can see Ansh. Speak next sentence बेटा. Ansh Sachdeva, speak this sentence.
You
Right
have
answer.
to be punctual.
Beta, we are going to discuss fifth sentence.
We have not to spit on the floor.
This is sixth one. So it is not ought to, it is we should or we must. Either we should or we must not spit on the floor. Now talking about the fifth sentence, we ought to help the poor people. Fifth option is ought. We ought to help poor people. Hanji. Next, good news.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, seventh sentence.
Eighth, beta.
Ma'am, you should be punctual.
You should be punctual or you must be punctual. Both options are correct in it. Right? Hanji. Manvi, बोलिए बेटा. Manvi, unmute yourself and speak.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम इसमें मुझे डाउट था इसलिए मैंने ये किया नहीं है.
Okay, बेटा. Now listen to the answer carefully then. हाँ जी, सहजवीर बोलिए बेटे।
मैम 7th सेंटेंस।
बेटा 8। एट सेंटेंस सहज।
मैम आई डोंट नो।
Anurit, you have raised hand, beta. Unmute yourself and tell the answer. Okay, Sahaj, listen to the answer carefully then.
Yes, ma'am. I ought to have visited my sister yesterday.
Right answer, but pronunciation of this word is ought. Right? It is ought to. I ought to have visited my sister yesterday. That it was my moral obligation that if I visited, if I went in that city, it was my duty to go to my sister's place. So we will use ought to. Moral obligation की बात हो रही है. Next. Yes, Harmanpreet. Ninth sentence बताइए बेटा हरमनप्रीत.
They have to work hard for a living.
Right answer. They have to work hard for a living. Next, 10th. It is a repeated one. The 7th and 10th sentences are same, as I've already told that both the options would work in it. You must be punctual or you should be punctual. Right? दोनों options इसमें correct हैं. Now we are through with exercise 15 also. Next, moving further, let us discuss exercise 21. Take 5 minutes and do first 10 sentences. First 10 sentences of this exercise right now. Hanji Rohan, speak first sentence of exercise 21 where you are to choose the correct model to fill in the blank. You can unmute yourself, Rohan.
Can I speak to the principal for a minute?
बेटा जब हम फॉर्मली परमिशन लेते हैं किसी से तो हम कैन नहीं यूज करते, हम मे करते हैं. दैट इज फॉर्मल. So may I talk to the principal for a minute? Right? हाँ जी. Next, Verleen बोलिए बेटा.
The breeze is cool and fresh. It may rain soon.
Right answer. It may rain soon. Yes, अंश सचदेवा बोलिए बेटा. अंश, speak the third sentence. अंश सचदेवा, I am audible to you, I hope. Unmute yourself and speak the third sentence.
You will apologize to your mother for your rude behavior.
Sorry, beta, would you please repeat? Repeat the answer, beta, once. Thank you, beta. So answer of the third sentence is you must apologize to your mother for your rude behavior. Yes, Shipra, this is the right answer. You must apologize. Next, Anurit, बोलिए बेटा.
Yes, ma'am. You can. Ma'am, the fourth sentence.
Yes, beta.
The rich should help the poor.
Right answer, which should help poor. Next, Ankit, बोलिए बेटा.
She could speak French when she was hardly 5.
Right answer. Sadly, right answer. It is the code. Ankit, it is the right answer, beta. Next, Hanji, Mridul, बोलिए बेटे.
मैम मैंने पिछले के लिए आंसर किया.
अच्छा जी, 6th सेंटेंस का आंसर Who will tell? Yes, Gurnoor.
Ma'am, visitors must take off their shoes before going into the temple.
Right answer. Must. Shifra, correct answer. Next, Ranjita, बोलिए बेटा.
We needn't
Ranjita.
buy any sugar. There's enough in the house.
Yes, we needn't buy any sugar. There is enough in the house. Correct answer. Next, Sahajwi, बोलिए.
In order to produce good crops, we must use fertilizers.
Right answer. We must use fertilizers. Verleen, next answer बोलिए बेटे.
We
Arya.
used to live in a big house when we were children.
Right answer. The students who are writing in chat box, they have written the right answer. Used to. And the last sentence. मान्या बोलिए बेटा.
My parents used to feed the poor on my birthday.
Right answer. My parents used to feed the poor on my birthday. So I hope all the answers are clear to you.
Yes.
Okay, so we'll end our session here today.
Ma'am.